Hey guys, how's it going? So today we're gonna build an opt-in page together. So this is Imad Jabi. He has an interesting profile, so I see creative designer, writer, and he's got his course here. So click this. So his course, okay, so he's selling basically like a content system, a guide. And yeah, the header's not bad. Subheading's pretty good. Saying like how I did X, and here's how you can do it too. It's always better if you can say like this is what I did to get results, and here I can show you instead of just saying here's how to. So we're gonna pretty much recreate this site and just add a little tweak to it. So I'm gonna recreate this landing page here. So now we're in Framer. Framer, we go to our layers. Let me move this. Okay, so I see he's got this like theme going on. All right, so we're gonna start with this. Let's make it. Let's make it like. Okay. Now, you know what? If we're just recreating it, let's just make it black. Now, if we're going to be doing it, I would do it more like a section. So if we're going to just do it like his, the way with the left-right style he has is okay actually. Especially for opt-in pages, it's totally fine what he did. So if I want to just recreate that to save time, yeah. Let's do this. Now this image is a pretty decent image. What I would do is go to my plugin, download images, saves you a lot of time. Actually doesn't let you work on this. Okay, let me refresh. Now try it. No. Okay, so just, let me see, save as. No, it's HTML. All right. To save time, I'm gonna make it a screenshot. Like that. This image. Choose image, desktop, screenshot, boom. Now, you don't need, let's see. You don't need a niche to build an audience. That's pretty bold. What I would even do is like, you don't need a niche, let's say like, the fastest way a niche, no, to build an audience without a niche. And then here, I grew my account to 1,000 followers without any niche. I'll show you how. The thing is though, yes, so it's assumed it's in Twitter. So, I mean, obviously, okay, the link is on Twitter. You know it's on Twitter. But let's say, like, you know, somebody got this page from outside just for clarification. Fastest way to build an audience. I grew my account to 1,000 followers without any niche on Twitter. I'll show you how in this guide. Now, what I want to do with this spacing is I want to move things up. So if I do start, no, center, I want to work with the padding inside. So there's one specific thing I want to add in here. So let's say 2 columns, text image, columns, this one. Yeah. And add from the top, let's add some padding like 15, no, say 30. And what I'll do is, because he's doing a form, what I want to do is just get rid of this. Gonna insert. Now he does ConvertKit, which I do recommend. Just for time's sake, I'm gonna just add it here. So just Framers version. That was different before. Yeah. Delete that. So email, subscribe, it's width. Let's make it fill. Now, one thing I want to add, what he misses is social proof. So that's something that it's a very simple opt-in, but social proof will help the conversions. So the way I like to do this with my landing pages is insert ticker. Okay. Now this ticker, let's make it. So ticker, yeah, usually it's, I could try to make it fit, but you know what, it's fine. Let's just make it like this. The width, the height a little bit slimmer, but you know what, it makes it a bit longer. Now, I think it'll be good for him to put, you know, who are the heavy hitters in like the Twitter writing space. So let's say like, okay, let's say like Dickie Bush. I wonder if Dickie has a logo. If he has a logo, that'd be pretty good. Dickie Bush logo. There's that. There's Modern Mastery. Okay. All right, this will take some more time to probably edit, but what I'll do just for now, just to show you guys how to set this up, just getting this image. Save image as image, Dickie Bush. Let's say, what's his name? Justin Welsh. Yeah, these guys don't really have logos. Let's just do this. Bam. You know what? I'm gonna just use their faces. Danco. Save image as. Boom. Mr. Dickie Bush. Let's do this one. Save image as. Okay, so we'll use just three just as an example. So these images, I'm gonna pop them here. You know what? Now this, let me see if, let's make this fill. That's better, much better. Now to connect, what you want to do is it's as simple as that. So now the issue is the sizing. So you have to edit it here basically. So I think Danco's has got a good sizing. So let's say like 112 by 112. Let's just do, yeah. Now the ticker, 3 items, you can control the gap between each. So you can like increase, decrease, like 20, padding. Padding is okay, I think 10-10 on all sides. Now, this thing is so annoying. All right. As a test, let's just see. Yeah, okay, so it's moving pretty fast, the ticker. So if you want to slow it down, sizing, no, chopping. Yeah, speed. Let's see, 80. Yeah, 80 is slower, but even 80 is kind of fast. Let's do 60. Now, let's do 50. Yeah, 50 is okay. So probably the final thing is this box. So this content box, I want to, it's too skinny. Let's make it, that's too big. So what we can do is we can keep it fixed. We'll just do it like this without building a niche. Now this ticker, what I would do then, let's say we want to can change the spacing, because it's good, but this is too close. So if we want to change that, we'd have to go, the ticker is basically in this. So you have image. And yeah, so let's work on this gap. Honestly, we can have it go even lower. 70. And yeah, this is the updated landing page. So the thing I would do if I was Emed, I would just change this form to ConvertKit. So instead of just being Framer's form, you would have your own Java code in there. But yeah, overall, I liked his page, but he could add a little bit more social proof. Social proof is the main thing I would add, because if it's an opt-in, you're kind of just, I can understand for his product, you're kind of just keeping things above the fold. But yeah, if it's going to be a bigger website, then totally, you know, add more benefit sections, a FAQ, process, more reviews, things like that. But something like this logo ticker, if people, you know, people who work with you or you've worked with is a great way to stand out. I mean, we can even, you know, add in text. Like, you know what, like let's say if we added text again. Now let's just do this. Let's do copy that. Let's do this. No. 30. Now we'll keep it the same. The thing is, this is a fill, so we do not want a fill width, we want a fixed width. So let's say like, you can say trusted partners or clients worked with. Now, yeah, we got another gap we got to work with. So let's say this, keep that at like 50, and this, because you know you want this to be closer, you want this guy. Now I see it controls both. So when you affect one, it's going to change both actually. So we kind of need to make this a whole separate thing. So we'd have to make this like its own content area. So what I would do is I would do this, add a stack. That's how you do it. So now you have 2 stacks, and then basically you're just adding a gap between here. Let's say 40. And then this row, this between each other, gap is 10. It's probably okay. Now we can center that. This we can totally center. So this, like that. And that is much better. So fastest way to build an audience without a niche. I grew my account at 1,000 followers without any niche on Twitter. I'll show you how in this guide. Clients work with, you can change it to like trusted partners, you know, trusted by. So yeah, anyway, that's the one major thing I would add to his page. But generally this kind of opt-in page, style page is very clean. It's, you get your point across, you know, the copy is some of the most important thing. It's the header, the subheading, quick, easy sign up, just one, you know, opt-in or CTA, you know, add in trusted badges, people clients work with. That's just a good social proof to just get people to click more. And then, yeah, he's got a nice image already. So yeah, hope you guys like this tutorial, and let me know if you want more.